Josh fighting one. Josh fighting one on a Tuesday morning. I think you got enough line. Just play with him.
Yeah.
You got enough line.
Damn.
This guy look like pretty good sized one.
Ooh. This is a fight, yeah.
Yeah, we just missed it too. It was running. Still running.
Motherfucker huge, dog. Look at it.
Take your time.
I'm coming for shit.
Let me get up here so I can see with a better footage of the fight.
Damn.
He's not stuck, is he?
Nah. He's going out to the middle.
That's cool. Just as long as he doesn't go over there to the poles. If you want to, you could take him down to the right a little more. So he don't. But I think after that run right there, he should be tired. Yeah, right there is cool. Yeah, that fish ain't no joke.
Slowly coming in.
I don't know if my net is going to be big enough or strong enough to pick him up.
You gonna swim with this motherfucker, we have to, dog.
See, a lot of times, I don't even care about catching the fish. You get a good fight like that.
Yeah, that's all I come for, just for the fight, dog. That fish is still in the freezer, I don't even know what to do with it.
Yeah, mine didn't run like this.
And this motherfucker's solid, too.
Ants all over me. It's cool. I think he's tired. I don't think he'll run over there anymore. I want to see if he comes up. Look like he's ready to come up.
Hey, see him go?
Yeah. And Jay missed out. He didn't see that initial. Oh, there it goes. It's running again. It's running a little. Oh, no sea lion comes over here and takes him.
You see a sea lion?
Nah, yesterday there was one when I was fighting mine. He's still fighting. He's not fighting strong, but he's still fighting. Look, he's ready to come up, maybe. Oh, there he is. He turned. He's done. He's done. He's seen the white come out. Oh,
huh?
Running again, huh? I thought he was done.
You're just taking a breath. Catching a breath, motherfucker here. That looks bigger than yours.
Yeah, I think it is. Man, he barely fit in the net. Yep.
Dang.
God damn. Barely fit in the net. Had some fight in him.
That's the first couple of minutes, huh?
Yeah, I think we missed like the first. Something like this about a year or two ago, you'd have to let him go.
Oh, yeah? that a limit? That
Nah,
a
they
size
just
limit?
couldn't catch him at all.
Got him good too. He wasn't going nowhere. Oh, this line broke.